A build lives and dies by its schedule. So let's make one that actually keeps up with the job. Open your project, then site management, then schedule. Starting from scratch, pick a template, one click, and your whole build sequence scaffolds itself. Phases, milestones, durations, and dependencies, all laid out on a live Gantt chart. When reality shifts, and it always does, just drag a milestone to its new date. With dependencies on, everything downstream shuffles along automatically. Push the slab out a week, and the frame, the roof, and the lockup all move with it. No recalculating by hand. Prefer a different view? Flip between Gantt, list, board, and calendar. And if dates ever drift out of line, Paperless flags it, and one click recalculates the lot. Your dates are never quietly changed behind your back. One schedule, always current, shared with your trades and your client. Next up, saving this build sequence as a template so every new job starts ready.